Hi everybody, this is Dale Mancini with Your Property Couple. And today I have a video about Ply Gem windows. And I'll bet whether your windows are a year, 2 years old, or maybe 3 years old, ours are 5 years old. And I bet you're having air leaking out around the window frame. So we're going to talk about how to cure that. Okay, so here is our Ply Gem window. And in the wintertime, I bet you're feeling cold air coming out all around the top and around the sides frames of this window. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Okay, for around the sides of the window, what you want to use, and I will have the link from Amazon in the description below, but you want to get 0.2 inch brush pile weather stripping. This is what it is, 0.2. So it's very thin weather stripping. It's available on Amazon, and I will have the link there. And now for the top of the window, going across this scene here where the window opens and raises and lowers, we're going to go to Home Depot and we're going to get this V-Seal weather strip. Two important things about the V-Seal weather strip for the top. Since you're going to be opening and closing the window, notice that this has a seam in the center. That allows this centerpiece to bend. So as you open and close the window, this seal will stay in place and it'll just bend to conform to where you're raising or lowering the window. The other thing you want to do first, when you get this out of the package, they have it wrapped so that from the glue piece, which is right here, the glue strip, it lifts up as you see like this. So what you want to do is you want to take the amount that you're going to take the entire roll and for a couple of days roll it in the opposite direction so that you are actually bending it down from the glued section. Okay, so what I've done now is I've measured this distance from the top of the window to the bottom of the window. And they have this brush pile on here already from the manufacturer. And what happens is after time, raising and lowering the windows, opening and closing the windows, this wears down. And when it wears down, that allows air to pass through. So what we're going to do is, it measures 29 inches on our particular window. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to stick this right beside this other brush pile. So as you see what I'm doing here, lining this right on here like this, such as this. Right beside the existing brush pile. You can remove the existing brush pile if you'd like. It's on there pretty good. You're going to need a razor blade. So instead of damaging the windows, I'm just going beside what's currently there now. And I already have the other side pre-cut. So I'm going to install this side. Important too, you have to get the 0.2 inches so it's not very thick. So you can easily open and close the window. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Just lining this new weather strip. Remember, brush pile, 0.2 inch brush pile. And I'm going to line this right beside the existing brush pile. Just like that. Oh, let's see, this glue strip broke there. Let's take this paper off. The paper broke. There we go. I'm gonna line this right here. Okay, here we go. So now, since it's only 0.2 inches, that's important. I can close the windows, raise and lower it, and now the sides are sealed. There is no air going to come through there. Okay, so now we're ready for the top part. the part that goes across this horizontal seam, a lot of cold air comes up through there. And this is really going to make a big difference in your room. It has for us. We did this to all our windows and it was an amazing difference. So what I've done, I've pre-cut these 3 pieces that go on here. So I'm going to take the glue piece off. It's a little strip of adhesive here. And all this, once you cut these to 29 inches on the sides, the plush pile, and once you cut these strips here, it only takes about a couple of minutes per window. So this isn't a very big job. So then I put this in here, and for the initial installation, I go under the lip like that. Once you raise the window, it will come up, and I'll show you how that works. I have the extra long piece cut for right here. Put this in place. Just like that. Close that latch and take the last piece. And put that over here. Just like that. Now when you raise and lower the window, now you can see you have a nice solid grip here. And that's going to keep all that air from coming into your home. And it's going to keep the drafts away, and it's going to help you with your gas and heating bills.